Share this message and make sure it gets to Andy Uba and the rest of them in Anambra State. If you are sure you are an Igbo person in Anambra State and you are running for this governorship seat, you will die during the process. I promise all of you that you all will die during the process of campaigning or during the process of this election. Be you Andy Uba or whatever or whoever, no matter what you think you have done for the people for your people or for people or for Ndi Igbo, if you are an Igbo person and you're not talking about the restoration of Biafra and you are there talking about running an election and doing campaign, you will surely die in the process. I'm not going to talk too much because it seems all of you are getting mad. Be you Andy Uba or whoever, you must surely die in the process. Share this video and make sure it gets to all of them. Thank you.